Footage from a Las Vegas police officer's body camera appears to have captured a possible UFO as it moved through the sky in April. The unexplained image was picked up by an officer's body cam at around 11:50 p.m. April 30th, as a bright light can be seen streaking across the video. According to the American Meteor Society, an unidentified flash was reported by others, and could be seen as far as California and Utah. To make matters even stranger, Las Vegas police received a 911 call nearly an hour later from residents who claimed to have seen not only an object falling from the sky, but also two large entities standing 8 to 10 feet tall. Here's the full footage.
I don't know. I'm so nervous right now. I have butterflies, bro. Everyone saw a shooting star. Then these people say there's aliens in their backyard.
Me and my brother, we just
Did you see it? Huh? Did you see it?
Yeah, me and him saw it.
What'd you see?
It was like a big creature.
A big creature?
Yeah, like around 10 feet tall.
I'm not going to BS you guys. One of my partners said they saw something fall out of the sky too, so that's why I'm kind of curious. Did you see anything land in your backyard, or?
They see like a big. That's what they say. They see like a big something with light.
Can we go that
Weird. Just the fact that our partner saw something at the same exact time. If those 9-foot beings come back, don't call us, all right? Deal with it yourself. I ain't dealing with that.
Hey, this might sound like a really dumb question, but did you guys see anything fall out of the sky? Like, if you see any, like, little, well, not little in this case. They're claiming 8 to 9 foot tall green beings that were in their backyard. Sounds crazy, but you never know.
The Department of Defense is tracking more than 800 cases of unidentified aerial phenomena, often called UFOs, from the past 27 years according to government officials, who added that only 2% to 5% of cases can be explained. One reason data on these phenomena is so bad is that the military cameras, radar, and other sensors that have collected videos are typically fine-tuned for other purposes, such as bomb targeting, rather than being designed to gather data necessary to identify non-hostile objects. All of this comes just after former U.S. intelligence agent David Charles Grush says recoveries of partially and fully intact vehicles have been made for decades through the present day by the government, its allies, and defense contractors. Analysis has determined that the objects retrieved are of exotic origin